Here's a video to see how to change out a headlight. You can see that my left headlight is burned out, and it is located right down in there. You can see that it has a clip over the back end of the headlight that needs to be taken off. Just pull it out, and then you can see a rubber grommet or a rubber seal around the perimeter of it. So I'm going to do those two things in the light bulb such that it come right out. Okay, you can now see I've taken the rubber boot off, and the clip from the back end of the headlight, that's off. And you can see there's a kind of a wire clip that needs to be removed, and you just pull down on that and push it back. Okay, I've removed the headlamp out, and once I pulled the wire clip down, and then just it's on a hinge, and push it back, this came right out. This is an H7. Well, I'll replace it with an H7. I'm going to run down to the AutoZone and pick up probably a packet of two, and I think I'll just replace both headlamps. In replacing this, you got to be careful with the new one that you do not touch the headlamp, because there's ever so much, a little bit of grease off of your fingers will cause your headlamp to burn out quicker. So I'm going to head to AutoZone now, and I'll start this up when I get back. Okay, I'm back from AutoZone. Picked up the H7. They did have, they had a lower grade. This one was about $47 for two headlamps. You can see it says the brighter down road plus wider light. They had one that was just above that was $53. And then one below that was $29. I decided just to get the one in between. The headlamps look more identical to the one I took out, so wanted to just make sure that that was the same. Now, you need to keep this base part. You can see that it doesn't come with these. So the base part stays with the bike, and you basically just wiggle this out. Let's see if I can do it here. Okay, I took that out. I don't think you can put the new one in incorrectly. It just slips right in there. And again, be careful not to touch the bulb portion of that. You don't want to put any grease from your fingers. So that just fits right in to here. So I will go ahead and do that, and I'll see you at the next clip. Okay, I have the new one in the base, and I am going to next put it back in on this left side. Again, you can see the hole right in there. You can see the wire clip that you push that aside and then clip it back on. So we'll do that now. Okay, I've got the new bulb in there now. I've got the wire clip over it. There is a certain way you need to put it in there, and see how those two connectors are up and down. That's the direction. I think you can put it in either direction, but there is a tab that needs to kind of slide in there, and then you put the wire clip. Okay, now I'm going to put the rubber sealing thing back on there, and then put the wire attachment wire, the wires to the back of it. Okay, you can see that I got the rubber sealer put back on there. You got to make sure that you seat it all the way around, which I did, and on the inside. And then I just attach the clip and I'm good to go. Okay, you can see that my left headlight is now working, and since I picked up two, you can see that the left is a little brighter than the right. So I'm going to go ahead and swap out the right one now. It'll be the same procedure as before, so that both have the same color white light. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.